Welcome everyone to my Semu Design Hub channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add emission and bloom effect to objects in both Evive and Cycles render engines. First let's move to the method of Evive engine. I am going to press A to select everything and hit X to delete. While hold down the Shift press A to go to add menu, then go to mesh and select UV sphere here. And make sure that you've selected this Eve here as render engine. Go to the world properties here and turn the world color completely black to visualize the blooming effect clearly. Next go to the render mode by hitting Z. Go to the material properties here and add a new material. Change the surface type as emission. Here I'm going to visualize the sphere as moon, so here I change the color as slightly yellow. Now it's great. Here you can increase the emitting strength. Let's change it to 10 here. Again go to the render properties and click this bloom option. Now you can see the object is blooming. Go to the drop down here and here you can change some bloom settings. Here you can change threshold and knee values. And you can change the blooming radius as well. Also the bloom color and intensity can be changed from here. Now let's move to the method of Cycles engine. First I am going to delete this cube object and light. I keep this camera as it is because we will need it at the end. Again, while hold down the Shift press A to go to add menu, then go to mesh and select UV sphere here. And make sure that you've selected this Cycles here as render engine. Let's move to the render mode by pressing Z and then go to the world properties here and turn the world color completely black. Go to the material properties here and add a new material. Scroll it down and change the emission to completely white and change the emission strength to 10. Also you can change the emission color as well. And now I'm going to the render properties and reduce this number of samples to 50 for both render and viewport settings. Now render the image from here or by hitting F12. Go to the compositing here and select this use node here. While hold down the Shift press A to go to add menu and search for glare node and put it in here. Again search for the viewer node to see the composite image and connect it with glare node. You can change the glare mode from here and I choose this flow glare option. And if you want you can denoise the image to make the scene more realistic. Go to viewer layer properties and select this denoising data option. And again go to the compositing settings and search for denoise node. And put it in between render layer node and glare node. And make the connections as noisy image to image, denoising normal to normal and denoising albedo to albedo. So this is the end of the tutorial. And if you enjoyed this tutorial and if you would like to help support my channel, you can subscribe it and hit the bell icon to watch my upcoming tutorials. And don't forget to leave comment as a feedback and you can mention the scenes that you would like to know. Also you can create and buy your own 3D model with animation through my Fiverr account and please find the link in the description. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.